Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Tronquest, the smart contract that gives you up to 250% return on investment. Today is July 21st, 2021, and today I will be doing a withdrawal and reinvestment for Tronquest. We were hoping to let this build up to at least 250 or at least 300 TRX, so that we're not just trading just to give away the fees. Also, if you're joining us on the premiere of the video, this is what I want you to do. So the first person that is able to share their wallet, you're going to get 100 TRX live here, but you have to put it in the chat box while we're actually premiering the video. So get ready for that. So it should already be up. So go ahead. It doesn't matter which Tron smart contract you're in. If you share your wallet address, then we'll send 100 TRX there. Okay. And then just one small note, you should be a follower or subscriber of both the YouTube page and also the Facebook group. So put your real name as it's listed so that we can do a quick check and then send you your TRX. Okay, so let's go. We're going to do a withdrawal and let's just, okay, great. So we are just over 300 TRX, which is perfect. I guess I should put something in there. So we're going to withdraw 300 and see that it goes up. That's great. Not sure if this refreshes or not. And so let's go ahead and do a deposit, a redeposit of 50%. So we're gonna redeposit 50%. Okay, deposited successfully. And there you go. So now we have 3,150 redeposited. And I'm fine with just going back and forth until this starts going up, you know, to 2.5 or 3% or 3.5. So this is great. So again, you're going to follow on this journey with us through Tronquest. If you haven't signed up already, the referral link will be in the description. If you're an avid follower of this channel and you belong to Tronquest, all you have to do is let me know that you're a follower on the Facebook page and the YouTube channel, and we'll share your referral link on a video. Until next time, see you later.